All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today we're going to be looking at Poetic Cases for the OnePlus 10 Pro. The OnePlus 10 Pro is obviously OnePlus's latest device, and companies are pushing out the cases to support. So we're going to go ahead and get into this real quick here. I'll start with the Revolution. The Revolution is the excuse me, the more popular probably of these two, but they're all good cases. So let's get it open here. You get a kit here, looks like, for accessories cleaning. Let's see what's going on here. And you get both cases now. You get the all-in-one, basically. You either have the screen protector built in or you don't use a screen protector. So that is some huge news that they are doing this. This is a huge plus. So if you have a screen protector of your own choice on there, you would go ahead and use this one right here. But if you didn't and you wanted to use the one that they have, you just pop this one on. I'm going to go ahead and try this one here. Let's see here. Peel at this corner down here to get it off. And the reason I said this is probably the more popular because it has a kickstand. And, you know, people love to prop up their devices and watch movies and things like that. So this is just what it is. People love to do it, and I think it's a good way to take advantage of your device. So I'm going to go ahead and peel off the inner screen. I'm going to clean off my screen first, though. And then I'll go ahead and peel this. And then let me get it one more time before I put it on there. Now the OnePlus, when you buy it unlocked, comes with a factory screen protector, and I'm still using that one just for reference. So might be some people out there who don't want to apply any other screen protector and you just want to use the one that comes with it. Well, I am one of those people that are going to go do this video for you. So we're going to go ahead and go in. I like to go in bottom first. There are instructions inside of the casing here that tells you how to do it. And this is if you're applying a screen protector too. Is there a screen protector in it? Okay, let's see. It's kind of strange. Maybe it is. I don't know. But there it is. Let's get this peeled off. Oh, I need to take this off because there's another one on the inside with a little fingerprint reader thing blocking it. Peel off. There we go. Let's get this back on. Very nice. This is a really nice case. All right, so let's start at the bottom here. You've got the cover here, the port here. And again, some people hate these. I'm not a fan of them, but I do use them. They don't bother me too much. But if you're continuously using this case for probably over a year or 2 years, however long people use their cases now, that could get a little wobbly, but I don't think anybody uses their phone that long anymore. And if you just don't like it, just cut it off. Sorry, Poetic. But nonetheless, it is there, and it is for protection. You get your speaker out, microphone out, and again, this port is covered for the charge and sync there. And you got your cutout on the camera. Just let me say real quick, this is a very thin case. It may look bulky, but it's really not adding too much bulk. It might be adding a little width, but it is super thin still because the phone is super thin. So camera cutout now is deeply recessed, so you will have the ability to lay your device flat like this with no problems. Let me check that. Fingerprint reader. Okay, fingerprint reader still works. That's good. They have a little cutout in the screen there. You can kind of see that's the reason it's working, is because it's pretty much an inlay in there. So that's pretty good. Alert slider is deeply in there, so you'll be able to access this with ease, man. I mean, that is just super easy to access. And then you've got lay on the table design, you know, because you got a screen protector built into this one. And again, if you want to use the factory screen protector or you want to use your own screen protector, they do have the option to replace with this one right here, this extra piece. Very few companies are going to include everything with a case, but this company does. Volume rocker and everything is good. Let me just check for reference here. Let's check wireless charging. Let's see if we can get some wireless charging going. Boom, it started to charge. I don't know if you heard it, but it came on and started charging. You can see it's charging right there. And it says charging wirelessly. So it does work, even though this is a somewhat of a bulkier case on the backside. Because of this kickstand, it does work. So that is a huge bonus. Points to, and it's because it's plastic. There's no metal or anything in there, but sometimes these cases like this with extra layers do not wirelessly charge if a phone has wireless charging. So that is a huge plus. Let's pop open the Guardian now. And again, same thing. This is going to be a popular one as well because it comes with the extra shield there, and this one can show off the color of your device. So this one doesn't have a kickstand, but it will show off the color of your device. Really nice, Poetic, really nice. All right, so let's peel this off. Let's peel this off. And let's get this one on here. So I'm certain that this one will work with wireless charging as well. There's no reason why it shouldn't. But hey, we're gonna try it. So let's pop this on here. Get this out of the way. Now let's put the back on. Very nice. Again, Fingerprint Reader works like ASAP. Oh yeah, this is that's really nice, folks. Let's not deny this. This is freaking nice. Wireless charging before we get out of here. Chargers up. Wireless charging. There you are. So Poetic has come through, man, and I am super thankful and grateful. I appreciate everything they do for the channel. I'll leave links to these down below so you can grab yours. Simple, straight to the point, everything you probably wanted to see. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.